Hello, everybody. I'm Bob Veazey. I'm the pastor at Grace Community Church in Macon, Georgia. And I want to use this time to invite you to join us to worship online at 10 o'clock this coming Sunday. It's Palm Sunday. It's the beginning of Holy Week, of the Passion Week. Jesus entered the city of Jerusalem today on Palm Sunday. The people got excited to see Jesus coming in, and they cut branches from palm trees and placed them on the ground. They took their coats off and placed them on the ground like you would a victorious warrior. And as they entered the city, they sang, Hosanna, Hosanna, blessed is the one who comes in the name of the Lord. Some of the critics of Jesus told them to be quiet, but Jesus told them that if they were to be quiet, the very stones, the very rocks would cry out, Hosanna, Hosanna, blessed is the one who comes in the name of the Lord. This is Palm Sunday, and we'll begin to celebrate that together online, 10 o'clock this coming Sunday, and we invite you to be part of that. As we go through the week, this Holy Week, starting this coming Sunday. Have a great week. May God bless you, and may He watch over you.